Today, we're taking you on a journey to discover the captivating world of Kitano Ijinkan in Kobe, Japan. This historic district is brimming with fascinating stories, unique architecture, and cultural charm. So if you're planning a trip to Japan or simply love exploring hidden gems, this video is a must-watch. Let's dive in. Kitano Ijinkan, also known as the Kitano Foreigners' Residences, is a charming district nestled in the heart of Kobe, Japan. It's a place where East meets West in a spectacular fusion of architectural styles. These beautiful Western-style houses, dating back to the late 19th and early 20th centuries, were once home to foreign merchants and diplomats who settled in Kobe when Japan opened its doors to foreign trade. Kobe quickly became an international hub, attracting expatriates from around the world. They brought their unique architectural styles, which can still be seen in the beautifully preserved houses of Kitano Ijinkan today. Initially, there were over 200 Kitano Ijinkan houses, but nowadays only around 60 buildings remain, with just about 20 accessible to the public. Most of these locations require tickets for entry, but the admission fee varies for each one. Additionally, you can also purchase combination tickets that cover visits to 2 to 9 different museums. It's a good idea to plan ahead and decide which museums you'd like to visit to better manage your time. If you're short on time, the top recommendation is to get the combo ticket for 2 must-see buildings, the Weathercock House and Moegi House, which costs 650 yen. The Weathercock House used to be the Thomas family's home. It was constructed back in 1904 by a German trader named Gottfried Thomas. Besides its vibrant colors, you really shouldn't miss the wind direction chicken sign on the roof. It's believed that a sturdy rooster can protect against evil spirits and even enhance the spread of Christianity. Next up is Moegi House. This wooden structure, painted in a vibrant apple green, gives off a kind of light mansion vibe. It's where the U.S. Consul General Hunter Sharp used to live, and it was built back in 1903. People often call it the Old Sharp Residence. You'll also find a Kitano Tenman shrine in the Weathercock House. It's a shrine dedicated to Sugawara Michizane, who's known as the god of learning. A lot of students come here to pray for success in their exams. Plus, you can enjoy some cherry blossoms here, especially if you visit during the cherry blossom season. It'll make for some great photos. The French House is a unique Western-style building with a pair of European structures standing symmetrically. It was originally constructed as an apartment for people from overseas. Inside the house, you'll find a cohesive French theme with furniture and equipment in the Art Nouveau style, particularly the glass artworks crafted by Emile Galley and the Daum brothers, who were stars of the Art Nouveau movement, are a must-see due to their exceptional quality. In this charming house, you'll also come across an old trunk from Louis Vuitton's early days, which evokes memories of sea voyages in the good old times. Each room in the house has its own unique concept, but the one I want to highlight is the monochrome Tude room, entirely decorated in black and white. It's a fantastic space filled with beautiful furniture and decorations that give it a picturesque appearance. This building is a must-visit spot when you're in Kitano Ijinkan. It used to be a 2-story wooden structure constructed by Americans back in 1907. However, it suffered damage and collapsed during the Great Hanshin earthquake, after which it was reconstructed into what we now know as Kitano Story Hall. Interestingly, in 2009, Starbucks set up shop here, making it reportedly their very first store in a historic building. If you want to reach Kitano Ijinkan, just hop on a train headed to Sannomiya Station on JR Hankyu Hanshin or Kobe Municipal Subway. Once you get off the station, look for the signs and start walking towards the Kitano Ijinkan area to the north. It's a leisurely uphill walk that should take you around 20 minutes. The City Loop sightseeing bus takes you on a tour around downtown Kobe, visiting places like Kitano Ijinkan, Motomachi Shopping Street, Nankinmachi Chinatown, Kobe Sannomiya Station, Shinkobe Station, and Kitano Ijinkan. There's actually a Kitano Ijinkan stop, Cloton, right at Kitano Ijinkan itself. If you plan on riding the bus more than 3 times in a single day, you should consider grabbing a City Loop one-day pass. It's a great way to save some money. To learn more about City Loop Bus Day Pass and other discounted travel passes in Kobe, Kyoto, and Osaka, check out these videos.